Welcome to Digital Wealth Hub. I believe that you, who are you watching this video, are someone who is striving to conquer the digital world. So I warmly welcome you to my video. So friend, today I have brought you a very valuable opportunity. So according to this opportunity, you have chances to win around 2000 US dollars from $100 to $2000. Let's see what the opportunity. So before that, I request you to subscribe my channel. Also, I request you to watch this video and mention anything or any question you have in your mind. So comment section below is there, you can comment in there, and I ask you to watch the video until the end. So without further ado, let's go to the rest of video. So guys, this is the website that you want to register. First of all, I'm going to tell you how to register on this site, and I'll leave a link in the description box. Go there and find the link and register through that. Then you can also join the deposit bonus. And so I want to tell you the little about this. This I can say without fear that you can trade on this site reliably. Also, you can withdraw. There's nothing to be afraid of. So guys, again I'm reminding you that's my link in the description box. When you go there and select the link, you will redirected to this page. Here you can see start trading, login and get started. When you click the my link, the website will redirected you to this page. When you come to this page, you can see the registration option and all. So there is nothing special. You have to register here as usual. After registering, you have to do the email verification and identity verification. First, we'll register here. From here you can see start trading. You can click here and you can start the registration. First they ask about your country. You can write where is your country, select your country, and the next one is your email address, and the third one is you have to select password. So I recommend you to select a strong password, and I'll select this strong password as my password, and also click here and select the register. After that, they will send the registration email verification link to you. So then guys, you have to check your email box for your verification. So I come to here and see here XM Global is sent the email. So click here to verify your email. Okay, that's email address verification is done. So you will be directed to this page. Okay friends, now we are registered with this site. Now we can trade with money. You can also you can have no deposit $15 bonus. So you don't want to deposit money in the first, you have $50 no deposit bonus. So first you have to verify yourself from your from your identity, then you can have $50. This is also great opportunity to you. So also you can deposit and trade. Let me know in the comments if you want to know how to verify your email address or anything else. So guys, now we have reached the moment you have been waiting for. Let's go the tournament where you can win around $2,000. So you can see here in the left side of the corner, competitions. Click the competitions. So it will lead this page. Go to demo. Here the tournaments also going now also. So the first thing is you need to KYC status. First of all, you have to verify yourself and your identification. Then only you can register, join in that competition. I will show you with my original site how do you get to the competition.